NetWeb, Dixon, Kainos, who wins the AI infrastructure race? The Indian electronics sector is witnessing a massive shift as traditional manufacturers pivot toward high-margin AI infrastructure. NetWeb Technologies, Dixon Technologies, and Kainos Technology are the three main contenders, but they operate on completely different levels of the value chain. NetWeb Technologies stands out as a specialized OEM, original equipment manufacturer, focusing on high-end high-performance computing and AI systems. Unlike pure contract manufacturers, NetWeb designs and engineers its own systems, allowing it to command superior EBITDA margins of 13–14%. Dixon Technologies, the largest player in the group, operates on a high-volume, low-margin electronics manufacturing services model. While its revenue is massive, its margins are typically thin, often ranging between 3.5% and 4.5%, as it focuses on scale in smartphones and consumer electronics. Kainos Technology represents a middle ground, focusing on high-mix, low-volume manufacturing for industrial, defense, and automotive sectors. Kainos enjoys healthy margins of around 14–15% and is making an aggressive $20 million bet on semiconductor OSAT facilities to climb the value chain. A key differentiator for NetWeb is its exclusive NVIDIA partnership for Grace Hopper and Blackwell server designs in India. This allows NetWeb to act as a technology leader rather than just an assembly partner, giving them first-mover advantage in executing the 1,734 crore rupee India AI mission order. Dixon is also entering the server space through partnerships with global giants like HP and Dell under the PLI 2.0 scheme. However, Dixon's role is primarily assembly-oriented, which means they will face stiffer competition and lower pricing power compared to NetWeb's specialized R&D-led approach. Kainos is diversifying into AI-driven IoT and smart meters, leveraging its strong export component to maintain profitability. Their move into semiconductor packaging is a long-term play to secure the supply chain for AI chips, potentially making them a vital back-end partner for the entire industry. In terms of stock performance, all three have faced volatility in early 2026 due to high valuations and project delays. While Dixon and Kainos have seen corrections of over 2–30% from their peaks, NetWeb has shown more resilience due to the massive visibility provided by its sovereign AI contracts. Financially, Netweb is the most capital efficient with zero debt and high return ratios, whereas Dixon and Kines require constant capital expenditure to build new factories. This makes Netweb a lean play on AI software hardware integration, while the others are heavy plays on manufacturing scale. The upcoming fiscal year will be a test of execution. Netweb must prove it can handle massive volume without diluting margins, while Dixon and Kines must show they can transition away from low-margin consumer goods toward high-tech AI and defense electronics to justify their premium PE multiples. In conclusion, if you are looking for a pure-play AI infrastructure provider with high margins, Netweb is the leader. If you prefer a diversified manufacturing giant with massive scale, Dixon remains the king, while Kines offers the best play on the convergence of electronics and semiconductors. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the subscribe button to join our community. We're on a mission to decode the best stocks in the market. Don't miss our next deep dive. See you in the next one.